What up, man? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with another video. In today's video, I want to show y'all my recent ClickBank earnings from today, man. This is the biggest day I ever had online, online or offline. As you can see, we had 1176 for today. Let me refresh the screen. I know somebody always pointing that out. Yep, same numbers. Let me do it again. Same numbers. But yeah, I was utilizing a strategy called launch jacking. For those of you who don't know, launch jacking is basically just leveraging product launches and you making a video review of it, a video review of the product that's coming out. So, for instance, what I did was create a video review for the Quit 9 to 5 Academy course. It came out March 12th. The launch is not over with yet, so I can still make some more commissions. It ends on March 21st. But basically, what I did, just shot a quick little video review going over the course, what it has to offer, and then most importantly, throwing in the bonuses from buying from my link. Because when you're making these launch jack reviews, the key to getting the most sales is just offering bonuses better than everybody else's. So even if you could get your video ranked for whatever keyword, they're gonna go to whoever is offering the best bonuses. But if you want to try launch jacking yourself, you can just go over to a website like muncheye.com or JV Notify Pro. Those are two most popular ones that you can find upcoming launches for new products. But yeah, basically all I did was just come over to big launches. Since it was my first time trying it out, I didn't want to go small, go big or go home, man. It ended up working in my favor. As you can see, $1,100. I still can't believe it. Let me refresh the screen for myself. This is crazy, man. But yeah, just come over to big launches. I made sure it was a ClickBank offer just because I already got some experience with ClickBank. I don't like JVZoo because they pay out through PayPal and it's just annoying trying to, get this big of a transaction going through there without your account get limited and stuff like that. I don't know how other people do it. I hate JVZoo. Well, not JVZoo, but it's really just PayPal. But yeah, so say for instance, this product right here coming out April 9th. What you could do is make a short little video review covering just the sales page and what you can throw in as a bonus. Let me see. Comes out April 9th. You can do it about a good week or two in advance before it comes out, just so you can get the rankings. And that's another benefit of launch jacking, is you could be a beginner affiliate and rank for these things because there's no competition, especially the first week or two. So especially if you know what you're doing on how to rank videos, then this is gonna be a walk in the park for you. But yeah, you just go check out the sales page if it's up. Check out the JV page. I know a product is gonna be a big launch when the prize is in the $100,000 range and things like that. But as you can see, you can look at the commission structure. Front end price $2 and commission 50%. Blah blah blah. So you're gonna most likely have upsells. Now this is definitely gonna be something that I'm gonna make a video review on. Look, $100,000 in prizes, 50% commissions throughout the entire funnel. Boom, get lifetime commissions on our continuity program. But yeah, so there's gonna be another one I take advantage of. It's great that you don't even have to own a product to do a video review on it. I don't even own this product, but yet, as you can see, $1,000. Like, this is crazy. This online stuff, man, this is crazy, man. And for a lot of y'all put away making YouTube videos for whatever reason. I was one of those people. I'm like, man, I'm never getting behind camera. I don't never want to show my face. I just want to be a millionaire. That's a ghost. And that wasn't working for me. And it's working. Like, this is, I'm just tongue-tied, man. I can't believe it's like my biggest day ever, man. But yeah, a lot of y'all put away making YouTube videos for whatever reason. I made this, 6 minutes and 47-second video. Oh, and I made another one too. That was 5 minutes long. I just wanted to create 2 of them just so I can solidify my rankings. But y'all scared to speak on video. I'm not even on camera. Y'all probably seen me on camera once or twice. But y'all know, y'all see my face in thumbnails and on social media and stuff. But it's still, I'm just recording a screen and I'm talking to y'all. Like, if you scared to do that, you basically saying you scared to make money. I mean, what else is it? Look at this. I made $1,000 creating a 5-minute video review. I didn't even come out no money to make this. This is all free traffic. I keep telling y'all this free traffic stuff is where it's at. But yeah, man. Oh, then after they watch the video, they're gonna click the link in my description. As you can see, my bonus page. They get to a page like this. Yeah, so once I listed it out in steps. First, they go and buy the product. Then they send me their purchase info so they can get access to my bonuses. This is the most simplest landing page I could think of. Like, look at this. A video, headline, 2 buttons, and a column or 3 columns, whatever you want to call it. Like, come on now. You don't think you could do something like this and make 4-figure affiliate commissions? Like, come on now. Like, yo, this is just. Then, even if you don't want to get on video, look, y'all make it even easier for y'all. A lot of people don't want to get on video. Okay, well, go write a review. Look at all these people. People is paying. Matter of fact, I'm about to go set up a Bing ads campaign for this. A Bing ads and a Google ads campaign so I can get even more commissions. But yeah, you can. Let's see where this is going before I say something. Right. So he set up a Google AdWords campaign so he can send them to his blog and get his commissions. I like the way this is laid out. This is a very clean website. I would buy from here. Let me see, where's his bonuses at? Most likely they have them at the bottom. Oh, no bonuses? Man, that's crazy. Oh wait, here's the bonuses right here. I'm tripping. Oh, it's not even his bonuses. This is what comes with the course. But I'm pretty sure he's been making commissions, being that he has the first result. So even if you don't want to get on video, you can run some PPC ads to a blog article. Let me check out and see what he's doing. Another blog article. Epic bonus. So yeah, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm about to go set up some ads for this. Like, y'all BS around if y'all want to. But parallel profits reviewed. Let's check this out. See, I said you can write. If you don't want to get on video, go write. If you don't want to do that, you don't want to make no money. Period. Like, there's no excuses, man. Like, I'll really be working at this stuff, man. This is my first try at launch jacking. For whatever reason, I got beginner's luck, it seemed like, with everything. My other video I showed y'all, my Bing ads video for ClickBank, I ended up making $90 in 17 minutes. My first stab at it. Now my first stab at launch jacking, $1,000. Let me refresh the screen and see if I got another sale. But no, it's still the same numbers. But yeah, man, I definitely recommend any beginner, if you're not scared to make some money, scared to get on video. If you're not scared to get on video, I definitely recommend you go check this out. Yeah, check out this strategy, man. Launch jacking. Come over to Munch Eye, find an upcoming product launch. You could do these. These is $100 a day. This is you got people really making 6 figures a year just from launch jacking. Like, are you serious? Like, look at all these products that's coming out. Day after day after day after day after day. All year round, every year. All these products coming out. You can make a review on and start earning commissions. Like I said, there's no competition on product launches. That's why anybody can come in here and make hundreds of dollars a day or thousands, however good you are. But yeah, man, that's all I pretty much got for this video, man. Try this out because, like I said, this is my first stab at it, and I'm seeing success already. The launch is over with in a few days, but hey, if you want to pick up the course from me and get my bonuses, honestly, my bonuses is worth more than the course. So if you want to pick up the course from me, you can go search Quick 9 to 5 Academy bonus and watch that video and click the link in the description to get it, or I'll link it down below this video. So, but yeah, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I post videos about making money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And yeah, that's all I got for this video. I'm up.